More students are heading back to the classroom this morning in the second full week of school. Now, a rise in COVID-19 infections has caused the state's fourth largest district to make some last-minute back-to-school scramble changes. Most of Fulton County's 90,000 students will have to mask up starting today. Mara Sirianni has been following the latest for us involving your child and their school. She's joining us now from the Global Impact Academy in Fairburn with the superintendent there. Good morning, Mara.
That's right. We have been covering it really all morning here at Fulton County Schools. This is a very exciting day for them. First day back to school. Kids are pumped up. They're ready to see their friends, and they've got a lot of precautions in place. So school board member Kimberly Dove and Superintendent Dr. Mike Looney, I first want to ask you about kind of the vibe going into this year. A lot of precautions in place. What are y'all doing to keep students safe?
One of the things we're doing is making sure that our students are wearing masks inside the building, and we're continuing our safety precautions, safety distancing, hand washing, and sanitizers throughout the building.
And the decision, Dr. Looney, to require the mask, kind of a last-minute decision. I know a lot of schools are using precautions. Talk to me about your decision.
Well, you know, we based our decision on the level of spread in each community. And so the board is committed to providing options for our parents, making masks optional when it's safe to do so. And rather than taking a one-size-fits-all approach, we learned over the summer and last year that we can differentiate for our communities based on the level of community spread. So the school that we're visiting here this morning happens to be in a city where there's a high rate of spread, therefore masks are required.
Following the data, how would that look if things were to pick up? Have y'all thought about what that would look like as far as closing down schools, moving to virtual? I know we've put a lot of that into practice last year.
Yeah, of course. We are in a battle. We're in a battle with COVID. And so we have multiple plans, contingency plans for everything. And so we certainly have plans for pivoting to digital if necessary. I will say this, we learned last year that it's essential for our students to have face-to-face, high-quality, uninterrupted instruction with our teachers. And so pivoting to something other than face-to-face instruction, even while masks are required, is going to be a last resort for us. We need to have our kids in school. They need to be in school for learning, for socialization, and for their emotional health. And quite frankly, to make sure that the learning disruption that they experienced is regained this year.
Last but not least, students, parents watching this morning, what's your message for them?
Please show up excited, ready to be in the buildings. And also, I would just like to thank the Global Impact Academy, because this is our first opening of our STEM Academy. So welcome new students into the building.
Brand new, beautiful school. Thank you so much for joining me this morning again. First day of school for kids here in Fulton County. We're going to be monitoring it all, but for now we're going to send it back to you in studio.